It's been very nostalgic for me because since childhood I've been hearing your music and I've been learning things. Like I have been into Indian classical music since the beginning. So I did not get exposed to different genres of music at that point of time because I was not allowed to listen to.
Good. I think Guruji did a good thing.
So he was very particular about that. But obviously I could do my own thing when people are not around. So I used to sneak
Guilty pleasures.
check music. So that point I checked your music and I somehow I related to the music because it was based on Indian ragas, and at the same time sometimes, but most of the times I felt it is happening like it's an Indian thing which is happening, but at the same time a lot of Western music is happening in the background, and I always felt your songs are not like English songs. It's like it's a unique piece of English music, but at the same time the soul is very Indian. I have always felt that.
Yeah, so let me explain. So we are all multicultural, right? We are not now we're born in this India, which is like more than now 74 years after independence. We have become multicultural. We are imbibing, we are absorbing many different cultures. Some of the basic foundation of us is Indian culture. Then what the British left, what the Mughals left, what influence of China, Africa, all that stuff is there in advertising. They use a lot of score and things. So I wouldn't call Western as a blanket name. So I grew up, like when I said, I played in the film industry when it was mostly Indian and folk, but also the scoring used to have Western influences, more symphonic influences, right?
Yes.